it's Compile and Code. In this video, you will learn all the data types in Java. I have put the examples here so it's easy for you to learn them. Let's start. So let's start with the numeric data types. So the default data type used for integers like 1, -1 is int, while the short is 2 times smaller than int. That means short cannot contain the data that int can contain, while int can contain the data short can contain. And long is 2 times bigger than int. That means int cannot contain the data long can contain, but it can, and vice versa. So the float and double types are basically the same. They are used to contain integers which have decimal points in them. Like, no matter how long they are, if they contain a decimal point, you can put them in double or float. They're basically the same thing. It's your choice to use which of them. So now let's start with non-primitive data types. So the first one is string. String is used to contain sentences which can include special characters, numbers, float numbers, or anything. But whenever you declare them, you have to use either single quotes or double quotes. It's your choice. So now arrays. Now arrays are a bit different. They're like a row. They're like a row of information which contain different information. Like cars is an array, one row named array, which has different boxes which each one of them contains different information. Like Volvo is one information contained within the row, and BMW is another, Ford is another, and Mazda is another. We'll use them in many things later. So the classes are a bit complex. Like learning. This is a class which can contain anything. They're a bit complex, so we'll study them later. Now the textual data types. So the byte one was supposed to be in numeric data type, but it is actually a textual data type. So it is 4 times smaller than int. You can imagine how small that is. It can contain only 3 digits. While the next is char. It can contain only characters like A, B, Z, etc. Now the last, boolean. Boolean can contain only 2 types of data, true or false. They are mainly used in loops like if loops, for loops, else loops, while loops, etc. So I hope you understand all of them. You can watch my videos again if you want to understand them again. These are a lot of data types, so it might take a while to understand all of them. We'll study the classes later on. So guys, I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!